Hello everyone, thank you for checking out today's video. Today I'll be showing you the basics of Zoom, as well as giving you some more info about Zoom. In order to get started on Zoom, you want to go to zoom.us, and through that, once you get to the Zoom website, then you can join a meeting, host a meeting once you have an account. If you would like to host a meeting, you can host it with video off, with video on, or just sharing your screen. And you can also join a meeting by using your phone with the meeting ID and password, or while using your computer. Either way, and that way you will just have to click a link and your Zoom meeting will most likely be password protected. So you need whoever is hosting your meeting to please give you the password. Now, the first step to hosting a meeting is click host a meeting. Decide whether you want video on, video off, just a screen share. Let's say that I want a video on, so I'm just going to click it with video on. You'll see launch meeting. And what you will see then is once you launch the meeting, it'll say please click open Zoom meetings at the bottom. Usually you will have a download start popping up on your computer. You will see that. Mine is pulling up right now. It'll say Zoom Cloud Meetings. And when you are hosting a Zoom meeting, you can see home, chat, meetings, and contacts. You can add contacts, different people from your job, from where you work. You can add those into your Zoom meeting. And when you host your first Zoom meeting, you're going to see mute or unmute. You can click Alt and A in order to unmute yourself. And you have to select your microphone. You can use your either a headset, which I have, or just your default webcam audio built into your laptop or computer. For your speakers, you can choose the same or choose another option. And you can also connect through Zoom through your phone and use phone audio. I highly recommend having your meetings be secure. You should click Lock Meeting under the Security tab. You can click Enable or Disable Waiting Room. You can allow your participants to share screen, chat, rename themselves, as well as participants. You can see a list of participants on the side. You can see if they're muted and if they have their video. We also see the chat option, which is your third option. After security, it would be two more. You can share or allow multiple participants to share simultaneously. You can record the Zoom session. You can add reactions. And if you go to the options with the sharing the screen, you can look at all different options for that. Now, I highly recommend Zoom. Zoom is a great product. If you have the basic account, you can be in a meeting for up to 40 minutes for free. But now for anyone who works in a school, that cap has been limited due to the coronavirus outbreak. And overall, I really recommend Zoom because you can connect with family and friends for many different places. You can also connect with students, with teachers. You can use Zoom in many different capacities. I hope that this video really helped you learn more about Zoom, and I hope you all have a good day.